Are you looking for the best rolling duffel bags? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best rolling duffel bags on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Travelers Club Xpedition Rolling Duffel Bag. The 600D polyester duffel bag by Travelers Club has a spacious main compartment lined with cotton. Featuring rear and top carry handles, it is easy to lift and stow. Its extra-large zippered accessory pockets and an organizer pocket offer ample space to allow easy organization. Weighing 5.6 pounds with a capacity of 77 liters. The durable backpack has a large U-shaped opening for ease of access when packing and unpacking, and it has a tri-fold bottom board for compact storage when not in use. Number 2. Samsonite Andante 2-wheeled rolling duffel bag. Travel light and hands-free by fitting all your essentials in this compact duffel bag. It comes with external grab handles for easy portability, a locking pull handle that keeps the bag steady, and a front U-zip for maximum convenience and durability. You can keep everything you need access to while you travel in this pocket, making your journeys seamless and hassle-free. Another great feature about the bag is that it comes with corner protectors that protect it against critical wear and tear. It measures 30 by 15 by 15 inches and weighs 8.8 pounds. Number 3. Travelpro Rolling Duffel Bag. Designed with a unique drop-bottom feature, the duffel bag by Travelpro provides expandable storage and increases the available space. This space can be used as a separate compartment or opened up to become part of the main compartment. The high-density polyester fabric is durable and has a water-repellent coating, and the duffel rolls smoothly on high-performance ball-bearing wheels. It features an additional zippered exterior pocket that can be used as a wet pocket for soiled and damp items. With cushioned neoprene handles and compression straps, the bag can be carried comfortably. Number 4. High Sierra Fairlead Wheeled Duffel Bag. The High Sierra Fairlead duffel has compression straps for added protection and long-lasting usage. It also features grab handles at the top, front, and bottom for ease of carrying and lifting. The front pockets provide additional storage and easy organization. This spacious bag is perfect for airplane travel, as the size and weight are compatible with airline weight limits and the wheels make it easy to maneuver at busy airports. You can easily clean and maintain the bag with just to wipe down the exterior if it gets too dirty. Number 5. Nautica Submariner Rolling Duffel. If you're a light packer looking for a compact duffel bag, the Nautica Rolling Duffel weighing 5.5 pounds is the ideal solution. Its zippered front and side pockets offer convenient accessibility and organization for your essentials. The smooth rolling inline wheels take the weight off your hands and shoulders and offer easy maneuvering through crowded airports and uneven terrains. Made from durable printed polyester fabric, the spacious rolling duffel bag is suitable for rugged usage and resists wear and tear. Number 6. Solo New York Wheeled Duffel Bag. With a capacity of 49 liters and measuring 22 by 12 by 10 inches, the duffel bag by Solo New York has a spacious main compartment, an inner mesh pocket, and 2 zippered exterior pockets that give you ample storage space. It features an additional separate compartment to put laundry or shoes without soiling the rest of the contents. The compact size of the bag makes it ideal for airline travel, as it fits the carry-on luggage requirements for most airlines. Further, the easy glide wheels provide you with a smooth carrying experience, and it is equipped with 2 bottom rails for additional stability and protection. Number 7. Eagle Creek No Matter What Rolling Duffel Bag. Crafted with resilient Bitech fabric that is super durable, abrasion resistant, and water resistant with reinforcements at all stress points, this rolling duffel bag is truly built for travel. It also boasts of an extra pouch for storage that can also be used as a pocket for gear and shoes that you may want to keep separate. This practically designed bag comes equipped with haul handles, lockable and self-repairing zippers, and a pouch for compressed storage. Especially designed for rugged terrain, it can look after your travel requirements with versatility. It measures 30 by 15 by 14 inches and weighs 3.14 pounds.